Hello friends, today we will see the 10 ideas for work from home for the teachers, for the educators. Myself, Mahesh R. Sanghvi, working as Professor and Head of Department of Computer Engineering as well as Information Technology at SNJB's Letso KB Jain College of Engineering, Chandwad, located in Maharashtra, India. Before I start, I suggest or request everyone to please stay at home, stay connected, stay safe. The course outcome of today's discussion will be learner must able to compare various tools of video conferencing and apply appropriate tool for online teaching and learning process. Second outcome will be learner must obtain the concept of work from home. These are the 10 ideas which educator can use to teach or to conduct online teaching and learning process. Very first one is online teaching. You can conduct online sessions, assignments using Google Classroom, sharing of material like PPTs, PDFs or any kind of media like audio, video using blog. You may use WordPress for that. Online MCQs like multiple choice question kind of examination using Google Form. Online offline descriptive examination using either using Google Classroom or Google Form. Review of seminar using any video conferencing tool. You can even review the project as well as seminar using Trello, one of the very good software. Online certification using SoloLearn, Udemy, Coursera, NPTEL and various like Moodle and all. Developing e-content using various tools and uploading it on YouTube on your own channel for the study. Hands-on practical conduction using video presentations and then use any video conferencing tool. You may use flipped classroom here. Before I start with the actual content, I would like to give you the message which is given by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi that Corona koi road par na aaye. It's important. Please stay at home. Your life is equally important for us. You can observe here that like everyone is now well aware of the coronavirus COVID-19 and you all are aware of these major symptoms related to it. That is what the fever, breathing difficulties, cough. If you feel that across anyone is actually meeting with this particular symptoms, please meet to doctor immediately. The concept that work from home is what we all should stay at home. We have laptop or mobile. With the help of laptop and mobile we can easily stay connected. So the real message is what we should able to stay at home. We should stay connected with all. Regarding online teaching, for online teaching there are various video conferencing tools available such as Say Namaste, Indian app, WebEx, Cisco app or Skype or Teams provided by Microsoft. You may use Meet, Hangout, Duo provided by Google. There are one of the famous app and now in trouble a lot like Zoom prepared by China, having limitation of 40 minutes and allow you to join at max 100 people. FaceTime given by Apple. Apart from this, there are certain online teaching learning softwares such as Moodle, Big Blue Button, LearnCube and Adobe Connect, out of which the LearnCube and Adobe Connect are paid and 7 days trial packs are available. Whatever I have highlighted in yellow color, that is what the recommended. Will always say use Indian product, be Indian, buy Indian. This is the comparative of video conferencing tool which is this particular work is done by me. You can observe here there are so many tools available here including your Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meets, Hangout, whatever we have seen. The last column is regarding Say Namaste and having so many features. Currently it is providing you the limitations of 25 people, but soon as it's in under beta version provided by Inscript Indian product, soon you will get what the more users. So I again recommend you all, please promote the Indian tools like Say Namaste. Regarding assignments using Google Classroom, yeah, certain portion I have highlighted specifically. You can use this Google Classroom if you have existing Google account, and here you can observe some of the spotted thing, that is what the classroom, which is what encircle here. So when you click on what that matrix of 3 by 3 matrix which is available on Google on your Google account, if you click there you will get one of the add-ons known as Classroom. The moment you click on that Classroom, the another ellipse encircle ellipse that you can see, that where you can able to create what your own Google Classroom. So the steps are very simple. You can create your Google Classroom. You need what Google account. Then you can share the class code with your students to join, so that everyone can able to join, those who want to participate into this teaching and learning process. You can create course material, you can share your course material, you can share the links or anything like YouTube video link or any sort of link, or directly PDF or Word file you can share here. And even you can create various assignments. Assignment can be a small quiz, or it can be a descriptive kind of quiz, or even you can provide Google Forms here. Even you can apply rubrics, one of the new feature added into Google Classroom. And even nowadays Google Classroom also added one of the feature where you can able to conduct online classes. One of the fabulous feature available in Google Classroom is technical forum, so which is open to all, where students I must use the word learner and educator both can able to put forth their own views about technical discussion. Regarding the WordPress blog, this is what the WordPress blog that I have created, and you can see that the course material, entire study material is available here. Same way you can able to create your website or blog using WordPress site. Thanks a lot about me. So I'm working in SNJB's Letso KV Jain College of Engineering. I'll be happy if you have any sort of doubts or detailed video or detailed information about this presentation, which is available on my blog. Simply type Mahesh Sanghvi on Google. You will get the first link of my WordPress blog. Thank you all.